Yo, good morning everybody. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Last week's CPI and FOMC, told you we put in some proper structure with the news. So we've broken structure down here with news. We're watching the dollar index, so the dollar has weakened with the news. So we got the big push down, push up into the supply, and now we could possibly break structure to the downside again, expecting the dollar to weaken because we got a push to the downside and a corrective pullback up, and now another push to the downside, corrective pullback, and so forth. Alright, so let's hop into it. I am currently on holiday, and I'm assuming most of yours are too. It's the 19th of December. We're all feeling good. Let's have a look at what's happening on the markets here today. Okay, if the dollar's weakening, we're expecting Euro USD to go up. Okay, so we have tapped into this imbalance here. We were expecting a deeper retracement. I think this might just be the retracement that we see. See, taking out imbalance there. So let's have a look-see at structure. We've broken internal down here. What broke that? This broke that up here. So since we got a reaction from the imbalance, and the imbalance was too big to trade from, we are now going to wait for a break of structure. So if price breaks up, we're trading up. If price breaks down, we could potentially still tap into this demand. This could still all be inducement, but let's see what happens. Due to the fact that there's a lot of imbalance sitting here, price might be happy with this liquidity sitting here in order to move forward and break structure. So let's just monitor what price does. If it breaks price to the downside, longs from this demand here. If it breaks to the upside, we will enter on the new demand that breaks this structure here. GBP USD looks very different, doesn't it? Okay, so we are currently in this demand over here. This demand reacted to imbalance. Let's see, we definitely got a nice liquidation over here. Got liquidated. Formed a massive range here, guys. 60 pips, untradeable. So let's see what happens and see if we can get a continuation from this demand. Let's have a look. Okay, so let's go on the 1 hour because there's not anything too clear. What broke this structure over here? Where's the high that broke this structure? This high here. So we're going to use this high. Once this high breaks, we can find longs. If this low goes, I would look for another entry. If this demand fails, then we'll be looking for shorts. But from this demand, I'm pretty happy going for longs. This could even be a pullback into something up here. But from here, I'm just waiting for a break of this high up here. So let's put an alert. And let's see what happens. GBP JPY. Okay, it looks like we had a huge gap in the market here. So market closed here on Friday, opened up here 94 pips lower. Yeah, I would probably have looked for shorts from here. If price breaks this supply, we can look for shorts from here. So shorts from either one of these two. If we do break the structure down here immediately, we'll be able to find a continuation trade. Okay, so we can look for two things. break of the supply and a short from this supply, or a break of this low and we'll find a continuation trade, trading short. Third scenario is we could take all this liquidity sitting up here, and this could be treated as inducement or liquidity. So let's see, we might see shorts from this supply here. It is 22 pips, so let's see what happens when this high gets liquidated. Gold. Okay, so we've seen a change of character on gold here. Broken this high, 4 hour, pop, and we've broken this low that put in that new high. We've got this huge wick here that we could potentially be trading from. So short from the supply defos. Defos pull into like down here somewhere. Yeah, let's have a look what's happening on the lower time frames. Okay, so we've liquidated. Left behind this. $9.5 pips, so this would have been entry model number 1. Thank you, 12 pips. And let's go, I think it'll melt. Let's have a look at the 1 hour, since we did not get into that trade. What can we look for as a continuation? Okay, so on the 1 hour, what we do have is this high that was put in. This low broke that high. So what we can wait for is a break of this low, and we can find a continuation trade on gold. Alright, so that's what we'll be looking for on gold today. Because we missed the entry in the 4 hour supply, we're going to wait for a break of structure on the 1 hour, and we'll find a continuation trade straight out of there. Let's quickly hop onto crypto and see what crypto has decided to do. Okay. I still don't think crypto is done with its bear run. I still think Bitcoin's going to like 14, 12k. So let's wait for a break of structure of this low. Ethereum. I think Ethereum is probably going to go about 850, 700, roughly about this area over here, just above this demand. I think price is going to retrace down to there. So I don't think we're done seeing bearish momentum on crypto as yet. Luna, I'll probably be looking at buying from this demand down here. Price just looks like it wants to correct a bit more, so we're going to wait and be patient. Ripple, I can see Ripple hit 30 cents. So this demand, I don't know if it'll break this low, but let's see. What's this sitting here? Okay, cool. So we've got this demand sitting down here as well. So let's monitor what price does, and let's see what it decides to do. Because it looks like we're forming a demand chain here now. So if this demand respects and breaks this high, it'll come down again and form another demand chain. Or form the next cycle of the demand chain. Dogecoin, I'll probably just buy Doge when it comes down here. See how it goes. Euro GBP, we're expecting longs from this demand. We got to tap into this demand down here, and price ended up shooting long. Yeah, we have broken structure. Price looks long, so we're going to trade with momentum and wait for a pullback into this demand down here. Yeah. Just like so. That's EG, Euro GBP. USD ZAR. I'm expecting the dollar to weaken, so we should see momentum down into this demand down here. Yeah, we gotta see this this low down here. This low didn't break this high. This low down here did not break this high, so this is a weak low, and that weak low should go. Let's check the indicator out. It has been performing, I won't lie, it's been good. No. Okay, so what has been produced? That was respected there. This demand as well was respected. Beautiful. Jeez, where's it go? Let me try to find the end of this demand. Oh wait, maybe I set it to gold, probably. Okay, so let's have a look what the indicator's spitting out for us. This supply that it spat out here was liquidated, so we wouldn't say that was a good supply call, so we'll make that boy red. Price has called out this supply now. I believe it's only called out this supply after this boss, so now we can mark this out and see what happens with the supply that the indicator has called out. Alright, let's check GU. Okay, we've got a fail of this demand. So red there. Now we've got two suppliers we're working with. This one up here, and this one up here. Well, let's see what price does with them, but price does also look like it's respected this demand down here. Alright, let's recap. Let's quickly look at what we're looking at on our major pairs. Yeah, okay, so this is on the 4 hour. It doesn't often spit out levels on the 4 hour, this indicator. It's interesting. See, price respected the imbalance that the indicator spat out there, which is quite nice to see. Okay. So we are be looking for long positions, either from this demand or a continuation long position once we get a break of the structure up here. Cool. And GBP USD, either waiting for a break of this low, a long from the after the liquidation after this low, or a fail of this demand, one of the three. Alright, I will be on my charts. I just got a busy little morning this morning, but from midday I'm free, and then I'll be on the charts. But I'll send my charts before I leave. Make sure that I explain everything clearly, and I hope you guys have a good trading day. Let's print some money, let's get some Christmas gifts for the family. Yeah, peace and love, guys. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. I'll catch you on the premium section of our Discord. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube. We will be posting a bit of sauce on there. This afternoon I'm hoping to post one to luck at things on there for us. Yeah, guys, I hope you have a good one. Sven, shot for joining us this morning, my brother. Highly appreciated. I'll catch up with your messages today. Peace and love, everybody. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll catch you guys either on our premium support or tomorrow's live stream. Alright, peace and love, guys. Catch you all soon.